Creating a culture of recognition is simple and easy inside of Assembly. On the main page, you can celebrate a teammate at the top and also see recognition posts happening inside of your organization below. To celebrate a teammate, hit the button at the top and walk you through 4 simple prompts. First, who would you like to recognize? Select a person or a group. From there, write a thoughtful message. Be sure to tag appropriate people, add emojis, and make more fun with a GIF. Next, tie this back to your core values. And lastly, supercharge with points. Hit post at the bottom right. And now your post is live.